If you don't subscribe, then you don't get no fries.
Upchurch-Death. And I'm in.
Yo, what it do, man? It's the one and only Upchurch-Death, and I'm back in the video. Hey, man, so look, today I got that Upchurch-Death around the corner remix. Now look, I was at the gym. That's like 1 o'clock in the morning, man. And I seen some people was, hey, y'all was on my K-pop videos talking about, hey, church just dropped. I'm talking about, and some people even hit me in the DMs. It's like, church is dropped. And it was crazy. I just did, I think, car radio from bro. No, not car radio. What the fuck am I talking about? That's, that's goddamn 21 Pilots, but it was something about a radio, bro. And I was like, bro, I want my boy to drop something new. And oh my gosh, I'll be down. We got a fucking remix, so I know he rapping. You feel me? Hey, my boy, look at him. He cool and living his best life too, man. But look, we're gonna get right into this, man. I ain't even gonna leave y'all waiting, man. Y'all make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, dog, that next stuff. Turn on the post notice if you're new, because if you don't subscribe, then motherfucker, you don't get your chili cheese fries. Shit, without further ado, man, let's run it up. Oh shit, hold on. Fuck. Oh yeah. First, the beat, the beat came in. Okay, it ain't thumping yet, but I know it's about to thump. But the beat, and this nigga just said, motherfucker. You feel me? He said, motherloo. And then fucker, so motherfucker. Hey, bruh. Oh, I feel like I'm about to get goosebumps. This bit right here. Oh my gosh. Hey. This shit.
I'm that down south, Will McCoy. Pull up and deploy at them silver rock doors.
Yeah.
DNA molecules still with top sauce. Solidify for certain, we them fucking holla boys. Holla boys.
Hey, hold on, boy. Hold on, boy. Hey, I feel like this video is gonna get me out there, boy. Hey, bro. My boy said, we them certified, we them holla boys. Yeah, bro. And what's crazy, I was just about to do a song that's called Holla Boys out there. It's like one of his popular songs. This nigga got me out of breath, bro. Bro. Nigga. And he said them boy riding in them silver. Oh my God, this shit dangerous. This shit is dangerous, bro. Hey, my computer or something gonna be broke. Something gonna be broke after this song. I don't know if it's that door. I don't know. But something gonna be goddamn broke after this bitch. Hold on, boy. Hold the fuck on.
Pull up and deploy at them silver rattle doors.
Yeah.
DNA molecules still with top sauce. Solidify for certain, we them fucking holla boys.
Let's go.
Holla boys.
Yeah.
Swag too authentic for a poser trying to copy. Don't be nagging me with text if you ain't round when I got problems. And if she riding in my truck, that pussy smell like peach cobbler.
Bro. Y'all, this nigga makes nothing but bangers, bro. I knew it was a banger before the song even started. Death around the corner? Nigga, this song got death around the corner, nigga. And when he said, bro, oh my gosh, bro. Church, bro, I don't want to give you no more. I ain't even charge you for that hype combo, and you just got it. Nigga, that was your death right there. Like, oh my God, bro, hold on, boy. Hold on. He said it's swag too authentic, too. Y'all, don't get it fucked up. My nigga, he got that swag.
Round when I got problems. And if she riding in my truck, that pussy smell like peach cobbler. I'm the dopest white boy, didn't even need a doctor. Been a rebel since the jump, 10 years, never switching. Got my blue collar pop, country rapping my ignition. Sprinkle Tennessee on top, then I'm the perfect coalition. If they mad, it's cause I'm rich, I dress like shit with teeth missing. Still bad to the bone.
Nigga said I dress like shit. And my teeth missing? If they think I'm rich? Oh my gosh. Then he said if this girl getting this Silverado, her pussy gon' smell like peach cobbler. Nigga, you know how good that shit smell? He nibbling on that pussy. Bro, hold on, bro. What the, hey, this shit, and he just dropped this shit out the blue too. Like, oh my God, church, we need some more of this. Just drop them out the blue like that, bro.
They mad at cause I'm rich, I dress like shit with teeth missing. Still bad to the bone, I got skeletal precision. I know the game so good, the game listen for predictions. The shit is like Jumanji, every move animalistic. And you can't walk in my shoes, I ain't got none, I'm on some preach shit.
Yeah, oh. Oh, but let me sit down and play the game real quick, boy. Hold on, boy. Oh my God, boy. Oh my God. But hey, bro, he said you can't wear these shoes, bro. Cause we from the creek, nigga. Hey, boy, if you know, you know, nigga. You can't wear bro shoes, nigga. They creek squad, nigga. Yeah, boy, hey. Like I said, bro, I feel like this the video that's gonna, hey, this gonna make me goddamn, you feel me? Cause I'm fucking with this shit. Nigga, like, the goosebumps, they coming, boy. They coming, boy.
Be asking if I'm legit. Face of an icon, never be a reprint.
Ooh.
Club gang, clan, legion. Only thing that matters is we out here and we deep, bitch. Overall, I'm a motor hall. This lifestyle I overhaul. To a lame of cars, but I set the bar with stars across. I need deep frost. Mud and Bubba give you trouble. Don't fall in a deep loss. I'ma keep it A1. I feel like I'm chugging steak sauce. Even police.
That's a bar. He said, nigga, I'ma keep it A1. I feel like I'm chugging steak sauce. Hey. Goodbye. Nah. Oh my gosh, nigga. Bro, he said he keep it A1, so you think I'd be drinking steak sauce? Nigga, that's a bar. I don't know how this man does it. I really don't. But he just fucking does it. He make it look so churchless. He make me not want to go to church. No, I fucked it up. My fault. He make me want to go to church every day. Shit, hiccups. But, bruh, I'm sorry I'm whispering, but damn. Death is around the corner.
To a lame of cars, but I set the bar with stars across. I need deep frost. Mug and Bubba give you trouble. Don't fall in a deep loss. I'ma keep it A1. I feel like I'm chugging steak sauce. Even police be approaching me. They be like, hey, house. When I pull up in this thing for peppers like I'm Ken Block. Dirty motherfucker rolling with the beat block. Southern State earthquake every time a beat drop. And I ain't never threw a cheap shot. Ain't no Broadway girls without tops in my barn loft. Only baddies got my addy cause they top notch. If life is a game, bed frame full of lure crop. Tomb Raider.
Hey, that nigga said only baddies got my addies. Hey, boy, I feel you, boy. Ain't we ain't finna be bringing the ugly bitches to the crib. What the fuck we look like? Now I know, sometimes late night the goddamn, the 3 may look like a 8. She get a little 5 points. But other than that, no. They say God don't like ugly, so like, why the hell should I like ugly? Nah, I'm bullshitting. Shit. But nah, nigga, nothing but baddies. I still love all y'all, and nobody's ugly, first of all. Nobody's ugly. So all the baddies, come on and see me. Come on and see me, man.
Ain't full of lure crop. Tomb Raider, if I feel you ain't been killed enough. Only way I'm underground is if I go and dig it up. But my bunker's still thumping from 2016. Grew up on a farm with some moon pies and caffeine. Royalty the country, won't you let me grab a RC? Take a bite out of the sky that people said I won't reach. Motherfucking church, I'm on fire, but still I go preach. On another level, cause I stole the devil's goatee.
Damn, that nigga said he on another level cause he stole the devil goatee. Nigga, hey, look, you don't want mine, nigga. Hey, my shit ain't even in. I gotta split in my shit. You don't want mine, but god damn. Oh, boy, you done blinded me. We gonna react, hey, for the last couple seconds, we gonna react with our eyes closed, man.
We them holla boys.
Yeah. Holla boys.
We them holla boys.
Hey, man, look, bro. Look, y'all. I don't know what the hell, boy. How this man do it? I feel like that nigga would just went in there and said, fuck it. That, bro, this was shit, bro. Goosebumps. That's how y'all know I'm not lying, nigga. Goosebumps. Hey, man. Church know I fuck with him. Church fuck with me. Hey, it's all love, bro. This, bro, I gotta meet Church. So, Church, if you watching this, bro, I want to meet you, bro. I really do. From the bottom of my heart, I want to meet you, man. But hey, though, man, we're going to just, get back to any Upchurch, man. If y'all got any more Upchurch songs, just, y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do, man. Y'all make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all get that nice stuff. Turn on post those if you're new, because if you don't subscribe, man, y'all go offensive fun, man. Hyper Jalen out.